darkest hour. I wanna comfort you, I know you've been alone. Oh, where do you go? In your head when in the real world there's snow. Oh, I know. Oh, I know how you hit the cold. Spend your life searching for more. Afraid to leave, afraid to show. Fight to leave, fight to leave, fight to leave. Sometimes find yourself knowing no. Lost and looking for a soul. Grabbing for what you can hold. Sometimes realize there's nowhere to go. There's the thing we're searching for. It's just waiting back home. And you've done your walking, probably enough for two. Oh, often you've had it rough, but you also had your cup filled up. And we both know, every time you come around, every time you return, you see it in your tired eyes, that you still have more to go.
Let me tell you something, Teresa. It can't be anything like love, can it?
No, it mustn't be. It can't.
Would it be inconvenient?